Did you know the average American family household would stop living paycheck to paycheck with just an extra $500 per month? So my question to you is, what would an extra $900 to $1,200 per month in passive income do for you and your family? My name is Eric Ellis Jr. and I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can leverage the Clickfunnels affiliate program to make an extra $40 per day in life-changing income. And before we get into the content, if you want to know my number one recommendation to make money online, go ahead and click the first link in the description. And if you like videos about entrepreneurship and online marketing, make sure to hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell. What's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the good stuff, and we're literally gonna go ahead and step right behind the laptop. So boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, if you see right now, we're currently in the back office of Clickfunnels, one of my most favorite softwares when it comes to software as a service, right? And I've made so much money. Just to show you a quick little back office. First and foremost, I love the back office of Clickfunnels, but this is not what this is about. This is actually about the affiliate program and how you can literally leverage this to make an extra $40 per day in pocket change and passive income. As soon as you finish watching this video, you can apply these steps, right? But if you look here, this is gross revenue. This is for one of my income streams, $2,800 this week. And it's because I pushed it pretty hard. I did a mini little launch. And that's aside from my affiliate commissions. That's literally in a week. So if you notice, from the 24th, from the 30th, and that's just one of my income streams. A lot of people ask me all the time, hey Eric, when are you gonna go and release our income streams? I said, probably when I become a millionaire. But on a serious note, right, what I do like is that it literally shows your affiliate earnings within the last 30 days here. So right now I made $1,148.87 in passive income, right? Now, first and foremost, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna click the first link down in the description and click your Clickfunnels, make your Clickfunnels account, right? After you go ahead and create your Clickfunnels account, the second step you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go ahead and click the second link in the description, which is gonna be the Clickfunnels free affiliate marketing course, where I'm literally gonna go ahead and teach you step by step how to create a successful Clickfunnels affiliate marketing business from scratch, right? Now, I haven't been promoting this full time. This is just a little side income of $40 per day. However, it's completely passive. What I'm going to start doing is actually promoting this as an affiliate, right? And aside from that, right, because I have all my other things which are kind of automated, I will probably start doing like maybe once per month some sort of income update. But let's take a look at this, right? So once you go ahead and click the first link in the description and click create your Clickfunnels account, and then go ahead and click the second one and get access to your free Clickfunnels affiliate marketing course, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and get access to the affiliate program, right? So if you press affiliates, taking a little bit long here. So here's what's pretty cool. I have basically $1,200 pending, right? So I literally have over $1,000, which is going to be deposited in my bank account. I've made $8,440 from this specific affiliate program, and I don't even promote it. I will start actually promoting this affiliate program. I'm putting this out into the ether. I'm telling people publicly. So we're definitely going to get past $10,000 really quickly, but I expect to create this income alone into a six-figure income. So stay tuned for that. Pretty excited about that. But what's even cooler, here's what I love about Clickfunnels, guys. To be honest with you, it has nothing to do with Clickfunnels. And I know that sounds crazy, but I am infatuated with the founder and owner of Clickfunnels, and I can't wait to meet him one day, Russell Brunson, because he has changed my life, not only with this software, but how I have modeled and emulated him as a marketer and what I've learned from him as a marketer. And once you guys actually go ahead and get access to this, right, if you click the get affiliate links, I'll show you that in a second, but you can actually get access to their affiliate training as well, called Affiliate Bootcamp. But here's the thing, I want to show you guys some of the offers, right? So 10x Secrets, that was a recent product launch they did, 30-day summit, That was a product launch that they just did. But affiliate, get my tools. They have 108 DC 108 split tests. They have .com secrets. They have expert secrets book. They have Funnel Fridays, Funnel Graffiti, Funnel Hackers Cookbook, Funnel Scripts, Funnel University, Funnel Hackers TV, Marketing in Your Car, Marketing Secrets, Perfect Webinar, Software Secrets. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, no 15. So they have 15 different affiliate offers. Now, once you go ahead and click the first link in the description, create your account, what you're gonna go ahead and get access to is these affiliate offers, but who you're gonna be marketing to is entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs can leverage this software and literally take their business to the next level. I am speaking proof. As I showed you in my back office, one of my income streams is making about $3,000 last week, and we're in the last 7 days, and that's all thanks to this software, Clickfunnels, right? So I am your target audience, right? How you're my target audience, meaning you want to learn about affiliate marketing, and I want to go ahead and teach you how to do affiliate marketing. What am I promoting? I'm promoting affiliate products. I'm promoting things that are going to help you as an affiliate, right? If you reverse it, right, I'm your target audience if you were to start promoting these products, right? I've bought in already 3 Clickfunnels products already, right? And that's because I'm the target audience, right? I'm trying to learn how to scale my business. I'm trying to learn about funnels. I'm trying to learn about internet marketing. I'm trying to learn all this stuff, right? So what you're gonna do is, once you go ahead and get access to the affiliate program, you're literally going to be able to market to a vast majority of everybody, right? Entrepreneurship is like the new fad. So there's such a large, forever ending abundance of people who are trying to transition into entrepreneurship, so you're never going to run out of people to market to, right? So that's the beauty and that's the amazing thing about this affiliate program. There's a never-ending audience, right? It's in the wealth niche, but it's very big within the wealth niche. It's entrepreneurs, right? That's everybody. You want to become an entrepreneur, so eventually you're going to probably need to buy some of this stuff. Number 1. Number 2 is ethical, right? You don't have to worry about this being ethical. It's by Russell Brunson. This is like the most ethical marketer I've ever seen on the planet. So you can put your personal brand behind these products. That's why I'm putting my face, look, my face right now behind this, because I'm willing to endorse this. And number 3 is you can make a ridiculous amount of money. They pay 40% in commission, so it's a lucrative compensation plan, and you can build a residual income, right? Right now, if we look at my residual commissions, let's take a look here. We scroll down. So residually, MRR means monthly recurring revenue. I'm making $1,095.98, right? So with that being said, what I'm actually going to start doing is I'm going to start promoting this affiliate program, right? So if I'm endorsing it and I'm a super affiliate and I'm crushing it, making a lot of money, if I'm willing to endorse this and I'm willing to promote this as an affiliate, don't you think that if you're a beginner affiliate, this would be a great place to start? So with that being said, click the first link in the description. Create your Clickfunnels account, right? That's the first step, step number 1. Step number 2 is go ahead and click the second link in the description and grab access to the Clickfunnels affiliate course. Or you can just type in secretstosixfigures.com, or you can just go ahead and click the second link in the description, grab access to the Clickfunnels affiliate course so I can teach you actually how to promote this. And step number 3 is once you go ahead and log into your Clickfunnels background, right, or your back office, the next, I shouldn't have done that. You go to affiliates, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to get my affiliate links, and then what you're going to want to do is this affiliate bootcamp right here. You're going to click here, you're going to get access to affiliate bootcamp, and they're literally going to go ahead and teach you everything you need to know about promoting Clickfunnels as an affiliate, right? And as stated before, the second step is getting access to my free course. Like I said, free course. And with that free course, it's going to go ahead and teach you how to promote this as an affiliate, right? So the little things that Clickfunnels does not teach, I go ahead and put my little 2 cents on it, and I give you guys a little extra spin with my little marketing secrets to teach you guys how to start crushing it, right? So With that being said, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. Can't wait for you guys to crush it. I can't wait to see you guys start making $40 per day, $100 per day, $300 per day, and so on. If you like that video, be sure to like, comment, and share. And also be sure to smash that subscribers button and notifications bell to join Wolves Nation. Lastly, if you're tired of working a 9 to 5, you want to be your own boss. You want to travel the world, create a life by design, or even just the freedom to work whenever and wherever you want, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online by clicking the first link in the description. And I want to thank you for spending your valuable time with me. I know you could be spending it somewhere else, so thank you. And until next time, your friend and mentor, Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.